After 10 years in the class, that guy right there, RJ Hampshire, has done it. He is topped 250s, he is a champion, and now we're looking towards the future. And this is coming from Mitch Kendra, which posted on X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it, uh, his supposed future plans. Um, let's be honest here. 10 years into the class, he's a little bit old. You got to start clicking things through quickly. So as going right from his tweet saying, train all off season on a 450 as if he is racing the 450 SMX or SX, whatever, which is really a good idea because considering 10 years in the 250 class, he should know how that bike runs by now. You get on the 450, the weight, the power, the torque, the power band, just get used to the actual bike while you have all the time you need. Says race and defend his number one plate while racing the opposite 450 SX races. Obviously, you got your one coast, you're gonna go race the other coast, trying to get two 250 titles, one on each. So makes sense. Race the 250s. Then when they're over on the east or west, whatever, I think he's gonna be doing west, right? Whatever it is. Comment down below. I don't remember which. Yeah, whatever. He's gonna do the opposite coast. So it makes sense. Race those ones, hopefully do well, and then on your off weeks, take a 450, go race the opposite coast with the 450 guys, get used to, again, the bike at race speed with the people around you and how fast the 450 guys are. Makes sense. And then make your 450 debut as a pro motocross opener, or at the pro motocross opener. And personally, I think that's a pretty good, solid plan. I mean, you still get to defend your title, which obviously I think it's what you get 1 year to do it, and then you have to move up. Maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I think I'm right about it. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments below about that. So race your last 250 year, defend your title, try and get another title, or I guess you're not really defending. Try and get another title, and then do everything you can to get on a 450 to get comfortable with it. Get up to speed with the 450 guys, and just be ready for the outdoors and then the next year of supercross. And who knows if it's going to be with Husky, where he's going to go with this. Obviously, we have another year before that even becomes a thing, but it's for him, if that's what he actually does, if Mitch is correct and this is the actual plan, and the plan sticks to the plan, which they very rarely do, it's probably going to be pretty good for him. He's obviously a veteran at this point. It's not like he's going to be moving up super quick as like an 18 or 19-year-old. So I think he's going to be a little more steady-headed about it. But we'll see how it goes. But comments below, you guys tell me. One, do you think he's going to win another title next year? Two, where do you think he goes? Does he stay with Husky? Does somebody else give him a title or give him a ride in the 450 class? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.